Welcome back! It's time for something brand new on my channel. Yep, this is the first chance I've ever got to take a look and unbox a Premuim Box Set. This is really cool. Thanks to all my commenters and people that watch my channel who let me know that they were finding these in their smyths. This is a really awesome set. I can't wait. So with that being said, let's just get straight into it. So I've already cut the sticker on this side, so hopefully we should be able to just get this out without making too much damage. I don't know if anyone's noticed, I'm not very good with boxes. Well, while I struggle, let's take a look at the back. We've got the McLaren Speed Towel, the Koenigsegg Agera R, the Yashi Chiron, or Chiron, and then the Carry On, which is like a truck to put them on. I don't know if that's a real thing or just a casting that Hot Wheels have made. Judging by the name of it, I assume it's just something Hot Wheels have made up. Right, there we are, I've got it open and I haven't destroyed everything, which is good. Now, I'm quite curious as to how Hot Wheels have mounted these cars on to the box, because obviously they don't move when you tip them up. So, oh, I see they just got little ties that obviously go around the wheels, I suppose. Oh, that's fair enough. That means if I take them off, I'll never get these back on. I was tempted to leave these on the display as they were in the box, but we're going to have to take them out and have a closer look. Can't not do that, so yeah. Right, let's try and move all this tape. That second piece, which has done that, thanks, very helpful. Although it looks like we might be able to just get them out of that. Right, I'll hold the car on the other side. I might have to just jump cut when I've done this, get the gist. Just got to try and get the bands to kind of go over and out of the... And I've ripped it. Nice. Yeah, they have the flaps, but they don't want to come out of the flaps. I've ripped it completely off now. Maybe I won't keep the display box. Right, we finally got them out of the box. Let's take a little look. So, to start off, we have the Carry On, which is a nice looking truck. There is the base. Nice chunky wheels on there, with the rubber tyres. There's all the details on the base if you want to see that. This bit back here is all plastic, which I suppose is sort of to be expected. Bit of a shame really, because this could be a really nice weighty thing. The front cab is all metal, which is nice. It's got all the details, front grille and all the lights and stuff, which is awesome, including the roof marker lights, which is awesome as well. And then on the side there we got Jones Exotic Motorsports. That's the little badge on the side there. Awesome looking wheels on this. Nice lorry rims with the chrome outline. And then rear light details and little license plate on the back as well. Oh, and we've even got the side markers going down the lorry, so yeah, pretty cool. And of course it can hold one of your awesome supercars on the back, and it actually holds them pretty well ish. He says it falling off immediately afterwards. Yeah, it holds them pretty well. I mean, what do you expect? There's quite a steep incline really to hold them on there, but yeah, that's still pretty cool. Beep, beep, beep. There we go, it has arrived. Right, next car we have the McLaren Speed Towel. It's interesting, we've been seeing a lot of these cars recently. They keep reusing this one. They seem to have brought the Koenigsegg back a couple of times, and they've had the Chiron in a couple of sets recently as well, but they're not all quite the same. We are getting some nice variations, like the Koenigsegg's a different colour, got different wheels. This is a different colour, different wheels. You know, it's all, they're not just shoving cars straight out their premium lines into this Premuim Box Set, which is nice to see. Nice rear wheels on that. This is the one with the 2 different wheels, and on the front we get the sort of solid rim there, which looks really cool actually. I like what they've done there, it looks pretty cool, the chrome outline. Front light details, it's sort of all in this kind of sunburnt orange colour, which is really nice. Very cool. It's got a very kind of glittery finish to it as well. Little stripe on the top there. Yeah, it's really cool, isn't it? And there's the oh, you can't even see the little rear light. There are some rear light details hidden away in there. It's quite hard to see on the camera. That is nice. Right, let's take the Koenigsegg off the back of the lorry there. We have the Koenigsegg Agera R, this time in a matte black finish, which looks really, really cool. Got a little logo on the back. On the front, we've got the light details and some stripes as well. They've sort of given the whole car a matte finish, so even the front lights have kind of a matte finish to them, which is fine, it looks alright. If I get the Koenigsegg that I featured from the previous video, it has, they're all shiny, and all the finish is shiny. Both still have the plastic spoiler, but on the black car you can it sort of blends in a lot more, because it matches the colour better, whereas the red spoiler doesn't so well. But yeah, pretty awesome. I really like the rims on this in the white colour, the stripe going up the side, and the rear light details really top it off nicely. And there's the base. Got some slick rubber wheels on this one. Never noticed that, is it? Same on that one as well. There's something I don't often notice actually, the tread pattern. So this has got treaded at the front and slicks on the rear. Huh. Cool. The lorry definitely had treads, so what's the Bugatti yacht? Both got treads, yeah, pretty cool. While we're here, there's the base. And yeah, we've got a really nice Bugatti. Some awesome trims on this one, and it's in a nice blue colour. All the front light details, badge details are on there. Sort of got the chrome or silver stripe going around. And there is the back. Again, really, really nice details. In fact, it's almost like kind of clear, a clear plastic back with the exhausts, which you can kind of see in a bit. Got the license plate and then the really long rear light with a little logo above it. That is really cool actually. Really, really nice. Let's put them somewhere. They're going to look cool. So there we are, my first Premuim box set. How awesome! I've got to say, it's probably like the second lorry that I have like that in my collection. I've only actually got one other like it, so it's pretty cool. And yeah, that is now the third Koenigsegg in my collection, 2 of them being this red one. But yeah, pretty awesome. I've got to say, some very nice cars. It's just so cool to finally see something like this actually come over into our stores and not just be like an American only thing or something. It's just a nice little change. And yeah, I say there were 20 quid in Smyths. You were looking at easily double that, if not more, even from the sort of reputable and not so expensive sellers online. Yeah, and you were looking at even more obviously to import the thing from another country. So pretty good deal, and yeah, I'm surprised they had them in store, because I would have expected people to go and buy every single one and flog them for double the money on eBay. You know that thing, you know, you call them scalpers. Yeah, them. I'm absolutely surprised they haven't got to them yet, but let's hope I don't give them any bloody ideas, eh? Yeah, hope you've enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to subscribe and like and all that amazing stuff. But yeah, let me know down below, are you going to get this set if you see it yourself? Have you got it already? And which of the cars is your favourite? So yeah, until next time, I hope you're all doing well. Good luck on your peg hunts, and I'll see you in the next video.